Alright, so I'm going to add a sound effect to this podcast and show you how to use automation to have a loop fade out with volume. So first I need to click on the loops button here in the top right, and you can scroll through all the different, there's thousands of sounds inside of GarageBand. So just for now I'm going to take this piano and drag that out into a new track. And don't forget, we can click on it and grab the edges to shorten it. So I want it to be about that long. And now I'm going to show you the steps for using automation to fade out a sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click directly on the little icon in the very left over here. It's the piano. So I click it, and this menu comes up, and one of those is automation. So I click automation. And in the very top left, you have a pencil, so you want to click that. That allows the automation to be edited. So I've just swiped it on, and now I just clicked on the line of the piano here, and it added in a new dot. And I can actually grab that dot now and drag it up and drag it down. By dragging it down, what I'm doing is I'm saying that over the length of that time of that sound, the volume is going to decrease. So I'm going to go back to the pencil, turn it back off here, swipe it off, and let me just solo the piano here so you can see, kind of get an idea of how it sounds. And you can hear that it's starting to fade out now. That's how you use automation for volume and fade outs inside of GarageBand.